Hey guys, welcome to DevOpsSchool. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Kubernetes. Kubernetes is developed by Google and it is an open source platform that automates container operations. It eliminates many of the manual processes involved in deploying and scaling containerized applications. After going through this tutorial, I promise you that the concept and understanding of the Kubernetes will be absolutely clear to you.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOpsSchool certification level courses which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry-level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai, and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best, and start today.
I need to create a node port and this one. So for that, again, same thing, same method I'm going to use. Look at my screen. Here, what I'm going to do is kubectl create service -h. What? Node port. And if I run this command, node port -h, I get this example. Now here, understand that this is a service, name of the service IP address, port number of the pod. This is the one. Now node port, you must be thinking this is not updated here. So this will be created. You can hard code also node port, but it will get automatically taken, whichever is available for the entire cluster. So that will be taken. So I'm not typing it. So here service node port, that's all. So now I am going to do that. So look at his screen here, kubectl get svc. So clear the screen. SVC, see here. Now there's a one which is a clustered IP. I am creating a node port. Remember, I created a node port. Now see here. Okay, I made a mistake here. I have to delete this service because I created for default namespace. So I should have not done it. -n is equal to Rajesh. Now created. See, I created this is a node port. Node port, I told you very clearly, again read it. It will create a cluster IP service also. So you see here, node port service also created a cluster IP, which is accessible at 5678. Okay, same port. Now pod port, which I said already 80, and then the one node port which is here. Now if you describe this, you will get it. kubectl describe svc -n is equal to Rajesh. And you see here, this is the target port for the container, service port, and node port is this one. So from here, it will redirect to this place. Okay. Now there is no endpoints because you know that selector is not matching. So I have to match this. The selector is app my-ns. So I'm going to modify the pod. I forgot the pod labels actually. So pod label is app ch2. Okay, ch2. So what I'm going to do is I am going to modify this service kubectl edit svc, this one, -n is equal to Rajesh, and here ns2 and save it. Done. Now describe this service. Okay, still sorry,
You have not modified the
my bad. Yeah,
yeah.
I did not modify the selector, but rather by mistake here. Okay, I did this. Describe now ns2 selector my ns2. So what is this? My cs2. Sorry, there's a spelling mistake. ns2 cs2. So again I have to modify cs2. cs2. Go to selector. It's a cs. Save it. And now, see, you got this. So now, see here. Understand that, guys. Get SVC. Now this is this is service clustered IP exposed at the node port number 31940. So can I do one thing? Can I hit the node port? I forgot the node port which I have here. One of the node, okay. So go to this. I have no firewall enabled, so that's okay. 31940. Okay, see a node IP address. Again, I'm repeating. Many people, what they do, they start hitting the service IP address in the browser, in the place where you are running the putty. No, node port, node IP address and then port. And guys, B2. Keep refreshing it. Sticky. My Chrome is having cache enabled, so it will always use the same one. So I'll go for yeah, V1. See here, V1, V2. It worked. So guys, this is the way you can work with node port. Very simple. Now, history. Very simple. I would like you to try it out for it. And after that, I will from here. Okay. So these are the commands I run in the day 5. Try this node port. Only few commands. Experience it. Again, one mistake you will do that I know. You will always try the service IP address. We should not try in the browser. You should try the IP address with the combination of the port. So IP address you will take from the node, which if you are using mine, then you can take it from the nodes itself. If you are using yours, you know that IP address already, and then port number. Okay, so node port. You can access this one also. Call HTTP and here 5678. See here. Okay, done. Okay, so I'll let you do this, and for this I'll give you 12 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our Kubernetes session so far, please enroll for our channel membership $399 plan to get access of all the parts. Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.